Hey guys, welcome back to Jack of All Breaks. Today, as you can see, we're gonna break into a 2019-2020 box of MVP. So, look at the odds here. Basically, you're guaranteed to get a lot of parallels, a lot of puzzle backs, which honestly I hate those. Like, they're such a useless insert in my opinion. You got some black superscripts, some silver superscripts, gold scripts, supernovas, netcrasher, laser shots, all that good stuff. You got rookie redemptions. I actually pulled a rookie redemption out of a blaster box like 2-3 weeks ago, but obviously I wasn't able to film that because we weren't filming yet. But yeah, that's awesome. And then obviously you have some like #1 draft picks, and which is pretty much, you know, one out of that ain't ever gonna happen. And then you got some rookie autos, which is like 1 out of 267, so that's not too bad. So we'll see. We shall see what we get. And also came with that draft big pack, so we're gonna start with this. Boop. Calgary Flames, Sam Bennett. We got Buffalo Sabre, Zach Eichel. Awesome. That's an awesome card. It's a bit dinged up though. Rip. Jacob Trouba. And Nazim Kadri. Alright. So those were the 4 top draft picks. Jack Eichel is probably the best one in here. Okay, now for the main course, as it is. I'm gonna slash Zadina. There we go. Let's open up this baby. Oops. And like clockwork, here comes the kitty. Or one of them at least. Okay, there we go. Let's move this to the side. I try not to ding up these things too much because I like to keep them. Okay, first pack. There's 20 packs in here. And 8 cards per pack, so that's a lot of cards. So let's get started. Oh no. Okay. Alex Pietrangelo, Nick Leddy, Jonathan Toews, rookie silver script Eric Brandstrom from Ottawa. Whoops. Sorry about that. So yeah, not the best rookie, but still a rookie. And we got awesome Shea Weber, the die cut, numbered out of 249. So that is friggin' sweet. This is the colors and contours, I believe. We got a checklist, Sidney Crosby, Kevin LeBlanc, and Jimmy Vesey. Alright, let's go straight into the second pack. Man, these packs are so hard to open, like MVP's packs are... I don't know what they're doing with their lives, but they're making mine hard. And then it rips in the corner because why not? Okay. So, Robin Leonard, Jacob Rana, Chris Tierney, Thomas Hurdle, rookie Joël L'Espérance, which is one I didn't have, Ty Ratty, Andrei Burakovsky, and Ryan McDonough. Third pack, Jake Gunsel, Micah Zibanejad, Sin Couturier, Nikita Kucherov, Dougie Hamilton, Patrick Marleau, Shea Weber, Antoine Roussel. And that was our first base pack. There's a third pack in this box. You know, these MVPs aren't super sought after. You know, I know it's more of a beginner thing, but I do like some of their inserts. Jimmy Howard, Matt Murray, Colton Parayko, Joe Thornton, and a Jonathan Quick silver script. Alex Galchenyuk, Tyler Seguin, and Paul Stastny. Devin Dubnyk, Ryan Johansson, Evander Kane, Mackenzie rookie. It's kind of funny because in my series 1 I got his rookie card as well. That's pretty sweet. John Gibson, Vincent Trocheck, and Nicholas Backstrom. Oops, we had another one. Travis Konecki. So we're sitting at 2 rookies and 2 silver scripts and 1 die cut. Andres Johansson, Nico Hischier, Tuukka Rask, and a puzzle back of Seth Jones. I really hate those, honestly. And Patrick Laney Supernovas. That's awesome. He did not have that one. That's pretty sweet. They're good looking cards. Shiny. Jonathan Huberdeau, Brent Burns, and Kyle Connor. I still wanted to make this video anyways, even though, you know, the chances of pulling something awesome in there is pretty slim. Like, if you're just starting out in the hobby and you don't know what to expect from these boxes, then at least you'll know. You know? Alright, Jonathan Marchessault, Victor Hedman, Sebastian Aho, Sergei Bobrovsky, and a silver script of Dylan Strome. Third silver script, Kasperi Kapanen, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, and Jared Spurgeon. We also might get one of those like super scripts. We're definitely guaranteed one of the gold scripts. At least they're in the blaster, so they should be in the hobby, right? Thomas Chabot, Jonathan Binnington, Matt Duchene, Puzzleback Nico Hischier, Josh Morrissey, Brady Tkachuk, Linus Ullmark, and Claude Giroux. I was gonna say that's a base pack, but technically we got a puzzle back, but you know, I guess I should show. And that's something else, maybe Stamkos. Probably. Jack Eichel, Patrick Ornqvist, Braden Holtby, and a silver script of Ryan O'Reilly, which I already had. And we got a Knit Crashers of Sidney Crosby. Super foily card. Michael Granlund, Ryan Sutter, and Ben Bishop. Okay, Victor Edvidson, Phil Kessel, Michael Perland, Taro Hiroshi, rookie card. And we got a Net Crashers of Vladimir Tarasenko. Awesome. Tarasenko, one of my favorite players, who's also injured for like the next 6 months. So rip to that. But still, it doesn't look like it's you know, hurting the Blues a lot. They're still doing great. Awesome. Okay. Getzlaff, Nylander, and Chris Kreider. Philip Forsberg, Jonathan Drouin, Derek Steffen, Philip Zadina, rookie card. Oh my gosh. There we go, guys. Philip Zadina rookie card. This is the one that people want. Yeah, that is awesome. Sweet. Oh, and we also got Drew Doughty laser shot. Another foily card. Their cards look pretty nice. It's just there's not a lot of value to them. Cat still is in the shot. Kitty, please. Elias Peterson, not a rookie anymore. PK Subban, another favorite of mine, and Sam Reinhart. Okay, so we got Zia. That's pretty sweet. Artemi Panarin, Connor Hellebuck, Riley Smith, Bo Horvat, Max Pacioretty, awesome. I don't think I had him. JT Miller, Josh Anderson, John Killingberg. That was another base pack, so we only had 2 so far. These packs, I swear, dude. Sorry. Alright, Evgeny Malkin, TJ Oshie, Dylan Larkin, Ryan Poehling, rookie. That's one you want to get. Awesome. Elias Lindholm, Dominic Cahoon, and Ryan Murray, and Jamie Benn. Jacob Trouba, Tyler Johnson, Nathan Bastian, and we got our MVP Stanley Cup edition, Silver Script, Matthew Barzal. I really dig those cards, they're pretty sweet. It's the old throwback style. Awesome. We should at least get another one in there, and a gold one. David Pastrnak, and Anze Kopitar, and Frederick Anderson. Oops, I grabbed 2 at once. Dustin, Kevin Hayes, Jake Gardiner, Andreas Johnson, Puzzleback. Ooh. Probably McKinnon. Alexander Barkov, Josh Bailey, Tom Wilson, and Jake Musin. So we are down to our 5 packs left in MVP 2019-20 Hobby Box. Morgan Riley, Ryan O'Reilly, base card. Ryan Ellis, Rasmus Dahlin, Steven Stamkos, Stanley Cup edition. That's awesome. Silver Script. Looks pretty sweet. Ryan Dzingel. And Pierre-Luc Dubois. Oops, sorry. Jacob Voracek. Pretty sure that was his arm on that card. Yep. Man, Zadina's just falling over. Come on, man. Alright. We didn't hit any superscripts yet, or any gold scripts, so should have a few in here, or when? Joe Morrow, Adam Enrique, Tyson Berry, Kyle Palmieri, and a silver script of David Krejci. Andrew Shaw, Oscar Lefbaum, and Matthew Tkachuk. Nicky Ritchie, Wayne Simmons, Lars Eller, Mitch Marner, and a Stanley Cup edition of Evgeny Kuznetsov. Sweet. We got a lot of those in this, man. Matthew Barzal, base card. John Carlson, Clayton Keller. So, down to our final 2 packs. Evgeny Kuznetsov, Brock Bowser, Marcus Johansson, Yanni Gould, Puzzleback, Tyler Toffoli, Brendan Gallagher, Charlie Coyle, and Mike Hoffman. Final pack. Will we get a silver script? I mean, I can't complain, you know, I got Zadina, but like, so. Not a silver script, I mean a super script. Danton Hayden, Darcy Cooper, Jaden Schwartz, Morgan Riley, silver script, and a Ryan Johansson, Stanley Cup edition, throwback, silver script. Alright. Nino Niederreiter, Justin Schultz, and Matt Zuccarello. So that is all the cards we got. We got a ton of like silver scripts and a lot of Stanley Cup cards. Those throwback cards. So I think that was a pretty awesome box anyways. I mean, we got Shea Weber, numbered to 249. And we got Philippe Zadina as a rookie, so that's freaking awesome. That's the one everyone's looking for. And as well, Ryan Poehling. Those are 2 rookies, you know, you really want to have. So not a bad box. We didn't get any gold scripts, and we also did not get any super scripts or autos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My next one will be another hobby box of Series 1 2019-2020. So we'll see if we can pull better Young Guns this time, and maybe another auto. I wouldn't be opposed to that at all. Alright guys, have an awesome day, and I'll see you all in the next video.